Alright, we're in the middle of a painting. You can see the canvas, and this is a pure wooden canvas. You can see solid wood. Okay, so wood block, permanent, and the acrylic paint. It's a nice scenery, and the hills you can see in a far distance, and there are some nice trees here. Now I'm going to put the colorful trees within these trees here to show the nice appearance along the coastline to the ground here. Okay, so let's put the colors of the tree. Lots of pink colors we're going to use. Mhm. So you can see that in some places we are going to see the branches, like the black branch is visible, and in some places it's hidden because of the leaves, colorful leaves you can see. So it's all around the branches, that's why it's not visible, the colorful leaves. Okay, so when you put the color, let's make a nice one so that the appearance becomes wonderful. Okay, here we're going to put more of it. Mhm. So this pink color all around the tree, it's prominent and nicely visible. Okay, and on the top portion you can see the white part, which is making it a lively appearance. All right, okay, and we're going to draw a bright sun which is rising over the hills out there. So let's put it here over the hills, the bright sun. Okay, you can see the shining appearance. Mm-hmm. All right, with few outlines here like this. Okay, and another one like this here. Mm-hmm. All right. So bright sun is visible, and let's make it a smooth one. Okay. All right, so initially the sun is not totally smooth one, but after some times the color, it's getting dry, and when it gets dry, then you can see the real color comes out. So after putting the colors, you have to wait so that the painting dry. Then you can say that the drawing is has a real appearance. And here we're going to draw a boat in this point. Little bigger one, so that it has a nice appearance. At least in this canvas you need a regular size, so that you can put the shape of the boat really nice. Okay, and after the drawing you can put the shadow over the water of the boat, falling shadow. Okay, so it's like not the regular putting color, but some broken color formations to show the shadow. Okay. All right, and maybe a sailor at the end. Okay, let's draw the people sitting here and putting the head. Okay. All right, so looks good. Some details maybe we're going to do later, but here you can see the lines. It's going to be a permanent line, so straight line along the borders. All right, and in some cases you can see the branches. Maybe you can put some branches really visible because of the leaves. Some places are hidden, so you can make it clearly visible. Okay, so this is a nice painting. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Have a good day.